Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. To do this, we are going to rewrite the equation so that one side of the equation has only x. So, let's first eliminate minus 2x on the right side of the equation by adding 2x. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 2x, the left side of the equation is simplified to 10x minus 4. Then, the right side of the equation can be simplified to 6. Next, we are going to eliminate minus 4 on the left side of the equation. To do this, let's add 4 to both sides of the equation. After adding 4, the left side of the equation is simplified to 10x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 6 plus 4 is 10. We now have a new equation, 10x equals 10. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 10 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 10. So, the answer is x equals 1.